Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, dear children. I am fine. I hope you are also fine by staying with your family members. Dear children, in this class we will learn about theory of yoga. Now, introduction. Dear children, observe the picture. Here Rahul is studying 7th standard. He cannot concentrate on his studies because his mind is disturbing by many thoughts. He is in lack of concentrate on studies. How can he overcome his problem? He, he reads a lot but cannot retain what he read in his memory. What is the reason? Do you know, children? Maybe your answer like is scared of exam. Students, such questions might be troubling you too if you don't have concentration or interest. While studying, unwanted thoughts might come in your mind. How is it possible to remember what you have read? This fear is natural. Then what is the solution? Do you know it? Children, for this question, yoga is the remedy for all the such problems. Next, what is yoga? Yoga develops mind breathing, each union, spirit meditation, and body exercise. These all are included in yoga. Today, let us understand what is yoga, what is important. The following components will be learned in this lesson. First point, meaning of yoga. Second point, values of yoga. Third point, aims and objectives of yoga. Dear children, our body is naturally has the quality of tamasa and the atma having the quality of sattva. So the perform has to try to bring both together in one way through yoga. That is why yoga is important to the mind and the body. Next, meaning of yoga. Yoga means joy or pain. This word yoga derived from yuj and focusing body and mind together is yoga. Yoga is a traditional include joining, uniting, union, conjunction or it is means. Dear children, yoga combines physical exercise and mental meditation, breathing techniques to strengthen the muscles and release stresses. Next, father of yoga is Seth Patanjali, who wrote Yoga Sutra in the 2nd century before Christ. He summarized the principles of yoga in the name Yoga Sutra. It is complete information about in yoga. Next, aims and objectives of yoga. Improving flexibility of the joints and the spine. Increasing the lifespan. Improve mental concentration and emotional control. Increasing the lifespan, enhancing memory power, intelligence, and mental peace. Next, values of yoga. Value means cost or rate. Enhances personal power. Yoga to live greater awareness. Yoga helps human beings to share happiness and the sorrows equally in life. Dear children, generally value means rate or cost. So yoga as it is a one reputation. Body is well constructed and beautiful. To make it is more beautiful and strong like diamond and everybody needed yoga. Yoga helps human beings to share happiness and the sorrows equally in life. The perform gets mental and spiritual strength by the practices of yoga. Yoga is related to Yoga is related to the body and mind. It is not only useful to body and also mind. Regular practice yoga result development of the mental physical strength and the perform can control over breathing, slow and deep breathing practice increases lifespan and of animals. For example, tortoise and python. In the same way, who breathe fast, his lifespan
get reduced. For example, rabbit or dog. In the same way, who breathe fast, his lifespan in get reduced. For example, rabbit or dog. So perform yoga is to practice deep and slow breathe to live happy and healthy. Next, advantages of yoga. Regular practice of yoga keeps away the laziness and helps in rejuvenating body. Second point, practice of yoga asanas improves the memory power of the students, helps in improving blood circulation and enhance immunity. Dear children, remember this point about yoga. First point, yoga is related to body, mind and breathing. Second point, regular practice of yoga results in the development of mental strength. Next, mind yourself. Practice yoga and be free from the diseases. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev. Stay home, stay safe.